Welcome to today's tutorial, where I'll walk you through the simple process of removing a personal folder in the Telegram app on your PC. Whether you're reorganizing your chats or just cleaning up, this quick guide will show you exactly what to do. Let's dive in. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. If you've pinned it to your taskbar or desktop, click the shortcut. Otherwise, search for Telegram in your Start menu or Applications folder. Once the app launches, take a moment to locate the left-hand menu. This is where all your chats, groups, and folders are listed. Now scroll through the left sidebar until you find the personal folder you want to delete. These folders are usually labeled with custom names you've assigned, like Work, Family, or Important. Right-click directly on the folder's name. A small context menu will pop up with several options. Look for the word Remove and click it. A confirmation window will appear, asking if you're sure you want to delete the folder. Don't worry, this action won't delete the chats inside the folder. They'll simply return to your main chat list or any other folders you've set up. To proceed, click Delete or Confirm. The exact wording may vary slightly depending on your app version. And that's it. The personal folder will vanish immediately. To double-check, glance back at the left menu. The folder should no longer be there. If you ever need to recreate it, Telegram makes it easy to build new folders by right-clicking any chat and selecting Add to Folder. One quick note. If you don't see the Remove option when right-clicking, ensure you're using the latest version of Telegram. Developers often roll out updates with new features or interface tweaks. To update, close the app completely and reopen it. Telegram usually refreshes automatically. That wraps up today's guide. Removing personal folders in Telegram is a seamless way to keep your chat space tidy and focused. Thanks for following along. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next tutorial.